Met her smoking cigarettes in the men's room. He liked her high heels, she liked his tattoo. She said she'd never been east to the west coast. Couldn't stand all the palm trees and windows. Called herself baby. Baby. Growing up in a first world's worst dream, grace-giving, God-fearing, good family. But when his hair grew long and his skin grew soft, all they saw was